Hi, today I want to talk about how building an Agentforce agent is much like a software development lifecycle, even though we are doing it on the no-code tools on Salesforce. I also want to talk about how the core philosophy of everything matters and something else I read. So, how do we proceed in the SDLC? We start with the requirements, then we collect the expected results, then we look at the test cases, the TDD. Then we go ahead and do the development, then we do the testing and cycle repeats, then we deploy, right? The iterations. Now, that's what we do in the building an agent. We start with defining the requirements. There's another interesting concept I learned today itself is that we should be basically doing an instruction map of an agent so that we can do the dry run before actually building it. Then we actually can debug using some tools. So I came across this tool by Elements Cloud, which can actually do the mapping of your agent if the agent is already there. You connect the organization to their system and they can do the mapping for you. Or you can start from scratch, which is the best case scenario, right? You do the instruction map first, then you actually build it, right? Now it helps in various processes of planning and designing and testing. It can also, I think, help you do the debugging, right? The feature to actually build it automatically using your existing agent is not yet there, I think. Now, that was about the SDLC. While actually debugging, I'm also realizing that it's much like a research-oriented process where I have to be very careful about my hypothesis. Initially, I was doing a lot of hit and trial, which was stupid, which was draining my energy also. So I am now getting into reading the bugs, understanding the errors, and understanding the core of everything, which is kind of the necessary because I have to design the systems. I'm responsible for what exactly my system will do. I need to understand my system as well, right? Now, these are the basic things. Now, philosophy. Why does the philosophy of everything matters? It's a system, right? It has to have a core of why it is built, what it is meant for. That's what I'm trying to showcase through these conversations with myself. It's just that I am a systems designer. I am the one who digs deeper into things. I'm the one who tries to understand the core of everything that needs to be done to do the right thing, right? Talking about an agent, it has three core elements: the topics, instruction, actions. That's what kind of happens in human conversations also, right? So there's a lot of philosophy I've read. I'm studying behind building, designing ideal conversations. So if you're looking for someone, let's chat.